An offset account is a sweet treat for homeowners that's really worth explaining. It's a type of bank account linked to your home loan, but instead of earning interest for you, it actually reduces or offsets the amount of interest that you pay on your home loan. For example, let's say you have a mortgage of $500,000 and you have $50,000 sitting in your offset account. You'll only pay interest on $450,000 worth of your debt. The more you have in your offset account, the more money you'll save on interest over the life of your loan. And if you're thinking, well, why don't I just use that money as an extra repayment on my home loan? Well, you absolutely could. But here's the thing. The key difference is that money in an offset account belongs to you. You can access it or spend it whenever you need it. But if you use a redraw, you have to apply to the bank to get your hands on that money, so it's just much more of a hassle overall. The other benefit of an offset account over a savings account is that the interest rate on your home loan will almost always be much higher. You also have to pay tax on any interest when you have a savings account, so you'll save more money overall by having it in an offset. Now that's a recipe for home loan success. For more info on offset accounts, check out the links in the description below.